Hi traders, so for traders that have just gone into your hub, maybe you've signed up for an evaluation and now you're just looking to get yourself around the hub to see what it's all about, but also, to change maybe some of your profile settings. Could be any one of these different things. So when you get into your hub, you will have this button here which you can just click on. You can just click profile. It's going to take you to my profile page. You can put in your email address, you can put in obviously all the different billing addresses and things like that. You can even upload a picture if you want as well. Now on the side here you've got different types of departments. You've got the achievements, invoices, orders. You've got our VOD, which is our videos on demand, that you can benefit from all of the different content that we've put out over the years. You've got different types of workshops with Gil, our founder, so you can benefit from all of that as long as you've got a 5ers account. Now achievements, this is what you're going to get at every time that you have an achievement at the 5ers. So if you've passed an account, hypergrowth, you can see all the ones that I've passed. You can also see the different types of payouts that you've got. Now it's very self-explanatory. All you need to just do to go back onto your hub, take a look, press some buttons and get a good feel, because this is what you're going to use alongside your MT5 as a tool to get funded.